Baiyi Environmental Protection Technology Co. Limited is an innovative enterprise specializing in the R&D production, sales and service of urban cleaning equipment and electric sanitation equipment. The company has been rated as a national high-tech enterprise, a technology size small and medium-sized enterprise. A specialized new enterprise in both Jinan City and Shandong Province, and various patent certificates from National Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of the People's Republic of China. The company is mainly engaged in 7 series and over 40 types of vehicles, including multifunction high-pressure cleaning vehicles, leaf collecting vehicles, electric sweeping vehicles, deep cleaning vehicles, garbage cleaning vehicles, electric washing vehicles and garbage sorting vehicles, etc. Baiyi 5 economical high-pressure washing vehicle with a 500 liters integrated rotational molding water tank is small and flexible, which enables it to pass various small alleys. It has a variety of functions, such as cleaning with handheld high-pressure water gun, left-right side flushing, slanted washing, roadside stone, air dust suppression, etc. It can quickly finish sanitation work and keep the road clean, as well as clean the ground with paper advertising, wash garbage and trash can, remove dirt on the ground, and restore the original color of floor tiles with a fashionable appearance and superior configuration. Baiyi 2850 multifunctional high-pressure cleaning truck adopts 700 liters integrated rotational molding water tank, which has multifunction cleaning ability. It is mainly used for fast cleaning of urban sidewalks, express roads, side roads and stones, as well as cleaning of ground with paper advertisements of fruit bins and trash cans, for stop signs and public toilets with unique operating speed mode, water level alarm device, speed adjustment, warning lights and reflective strips. The safety factor and cleaning effect are improved. Baiyi 7 RC12 RC15 are high-temperature and high-pressure cleaning vehicles. Under the hot water mode, the water can be rapidly heated to 90 degrees Celsius, which has obvious effect on cleaning up advertising paper and heavy oil pollution in cities. Under the cold water mode, it can completely replace the multifunction high-pressure cleaning vehicle, which can be used for the rapid cleaning of urban sidewalks. The 4-wheel high-pressure washing vehicle is divided into 2 types: multifunctional high-pressure washing vehicle with 1000 liters water tank and with 1500 liters water tank with beautiful shape, complete washing function, large water tank capacity, and high operating efficiency. It is widely used in the cleaning of sidewalks and alleys, as well as the washing of trash cans, advertisement paper and public facilities in the main urban areas of first-tier, second-tier and third-tier cities. Thus, it is an ideal high-pressure washing equipment for urban cleaning, environmental sanitation. Baiyi 30 is a newly upgraded small deep clean electric vehicle. It is an efficient environmental sanitation vehicle that integrates deep washing and high-pressure cleaning, which is mainly used in deep cleaning and road washing of city key areas such as sidewalks, non-motorized vehicle lanes and square, achieving the deep washing of the city. The vehicle has multiple functions, such as road deep cleaning, roadside stone cleaning, garbage and sewage recycling, high-pressure cleaning, etc. It can work in areas that large deep cleaning vehicles cannot enter. Thus, it is widely used in the deep cleaning of non-motorized lanes, sidewalks, alleys, airports, universities, parks, property, which makes the road so clean that people could even sit on the ground. Equipped with lithium iron phosphate battery and independent fast charge, it can be fully charged in just 2 to 3 hours. After that, it can realize all-weather operation. Baiyi CS60 as the first newly upgraded small pure electric cleaning and sweeping vehicle in China, has abandoned traditional cleaning mode and adopted washing rather dry cleaning. It is an efficient environmental sanitation vehicle that integrates road surface cleaning, road deep washing, roadside stone washing, sewage recycling, high-pressure washing in one of the efficient small sanitation trucks. It can work in areas that large deep cleaning vehicles cannot enter, which is suitable for rapid road cleaning in non-motor vehicle lanes, sidewalks, alley and airports, universities, parks, property, etc. Besides, BYCS 60 is equipped with a 180-degree rotating mechanical arm, which enables it to operate ultra-high-pressure washing cross obstacles, effectively solving the difficulty of cleaning and sweeping parking space. The handheld straw can collect leaves and garbage from green belt and the road. Using lithium iron phosphate battery, there are high-pressure or low-pressure washing mode can be selected according to the road cleanliness. A single tank of water can support 40 minutes of high-pressure operation and 70 minutes of low-pressure operation, effectively improve the battery life, equipped with independent fast charging. BYT 50 is the first multifunctional leaf collection vehicle launched by our company as a pioneer brand of leaf collection equipment. Baiyi has developed the T50 multifunctional leaf collection vehicle specifically for municipalities, sanitation and gardening departments, which not only fills the market gap, but also has undergone 6 upgrades for 7 years, and can effectively solve the difficulty of collecting and transferring the numerous leaves with large size during deciduous season, and has received good reviews from both users and the whole industry. It has leaf crushing, compression function, equipped with 5M3 large garbage box and a unique dust filter system. It can work with fast collection speed and large storage capacity. Reduce the volume of leaves with no dust. It has 2 working modes, collecting leaves with bottom sucker and with a handheld suction tube, which enables it to quickly collect the scattered and tips of fallen leaves. The retractable and rotatable robotic arm can efficiently collect fallen leaves from places where vehicles cannot enter, such as roadside parking spaces, green belts, tree pits and lawns. In addition, equipped with a high-pressure washing system and 1,500 liters of water tank, it can be used as a high-pressure cleaning vehicle in non-deciduous season, and complete high-pressure cleaning operation of roadside stone, sidewalk, non-motorized driveway, trash cans, etc. This kind of multifunctional vehicle. BYT6 is a small driving leaf collection vehicle with a large suction fan, which is simple to operate, novel in appearance, compact in size, and strong in trafficability. It has the function of leaf collection, crushing, filtering, etc. Equipped with extended suction tube, it can collect leaves from green belts, lawns and sanitary blind corners. The vehicle is equipped with a middle suction sucker to collect the leaves on the road, and the unique garbage bin storage device can directly bag the leaves, avoiding the secondary collection caused by dumping. The electric garbage truck is divided into rear-loading garbage truck and 8-barrel garbage transport truck, co-riveted together with manganese steel. The chassis has strong load-bearing capacity. The power system adopts well-known brand batteries, which is economic and environment protected, and the endurance mileage can reach 80 to 100 kilometers. Besides, the rear-loading garbage truck can be docked to small, medium and large garbage compactors, which is in the form of rear-loading garbage cans and equipped with scrapers. It can hold 20 to 25 barrels of garbage in standard 240-liter garbage cans, which is in line with the national policy of supporting the development of new energy vehicles. Electric water sweeper is divided into 3-wheeled sweeper and 4-wheeled sweeper. The power system adopts famous brand battery, which is economic and environment protected. It is strong in trafficability, complete in function, and large in carrying capacity, mainly used for road washing, spraying and dust reducing, watering the green belt, and emergency firefighting, etc. Electric classification garbage truck is divided into 4 classification garbage truck and 2 classification garbage truck. The power system adopts famous brand battery, which is economic and environment protected with an endurance mileage of 0-100 kilometers. The 4 classifications garbage truck can load 8 240-liter standard garbage cans equipped with 4 garbage dropping windows. It can separate different kinds of garbage, which conforms to the concept of a one garbage classification and collection. The tailboard can be lifted with one key, reflecting a high degree of automation. The four-link mechanism it uses the design tailgate lifting and flipping system has greatly improved the efficiency of the barrel loading operation. To classification garbage truck is equipped with recyclable and non-recyclable bins. Model BYS15 sweeper adopts an automatic cleaning system of vacuum sweeping. The sweeper is mainly used for indoor and outdoor cleaning in colleges, property communities, factory workshops, squares, parks, and other departments. The BYS19 sweeper is an automatic cleaning machine that combines dust suction, sweeping and water spraying, and is used in outdoor environment. This sweeper is mainly used for indoor and outdoor cleaning in parks, environmental sanitation, cleaning companies, property management companies, squares and colleges. The BYS20 sweeper is an automatic cleaning machine that combines dust suction, sweeping and water spraying, and is used in outdoor environment. This sweeper is mainly used for indoor and outdoor cleaning in parks, environmental sanitation, cleaning companies, property management companies, squares and colleges. BYJS 1450 and JS 1800 is widely used in municipal sanitation systems, parks, large communities, real estate properties, university campuses, scenic spots, etc., especially for the cleaning of large area brick sidewalks.